Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining us. This is our 10th Gardener's Giveaway video. We spotlighted Rag & Nursery a couple of days ago, and I found out two things that I want to share with you. Number one, once again, my pronunciation is on point. I found out that Regan is actually called Regan. I called over just to, confirm this giveaway with them. And when they answered the phone, they said Regan Nursery. I was like, wait a minute. I've been saying Regan for a really long time. Is it Regan or is it Regan? And they said potato, potato, but it's Regan. And I was like, my goodness. So just so you know, in the event that you want to pronounce the name, it is Regan Nursery. So that's update number one. Update number two is I thought that it was a giveaway for a bare root and shipping. It turns out that it's a gift certificate for $50, which I think is an even better deal because you might be able to get 2 roses for that price. So I hope that you are happy with that mistake that I made. So let's go ahead and do the drawing for Regan Nursery. So our winner from Regan Nursery for a $50 gift certificate is Suzanne Lewinson. Suzanne, congratulations. And I'm reading what you wrote here, and you said that you'd love to have life of the party. Well, guess what? I think you're getting life of the party. So I appreciate you watching and subscribing, and reach out to me. We'll go ahead and make sure that we get that ready for you. So before we get started, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the e-blooms. This is day number 2. The Princess Charlene de Monaco has started to really open up, and I can see that pink color with a darker pink center from the other side of the room. It is so striking, and so I just wanted to take a quick second to spotlight that. So let's go ahead and get started and talk about our next giveaway. So I did the intro video with you all that you are welcome to look back at to give you all of those geeky details about humic acid and how it allows the plant to uptake nutrients that aren't available to it and all that amazing stuff. You want to look at the video that was a month from then because I did a status on that. The roses, not only did they totally take off during the heat of a summer when roses are normally kind of slowing down a little bit from the heat, but they were taken off. I had basil breaks. I had 3 foot of growth on some of my roses. I mean, it was amazing. I like it so much, this product, that I am seriously considering going 100% Great Big Roses liquid fertilizer next year. It is that amazing. So what are the benefits besides amazing growth and basil break? The goal is I'm trying to treat black spot. We have it terrible here on the East Coast, and I know many of you do. I think the goal is to treat the soil. If you have a healthier rose that's building its immunity, it's aging, it's going to be able to be more black spot resistant in time. That's the goal, and that's what we want to try through Great Big Roses. There is no smell, and I've heard from so many of you that you want to use something gentle, a liquid fertilizer like Alaska fish fertilizer, but you don't want that smell because you have your dog and all the animals in the neighborhood digging at the soil, and I don't know about you guys, but it's disgusting when I use that fish fertilizer because I'm pouring it in the bucket, and as I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, putting the water in there, I end up with it from head to toe, and I feel like Pigpen from Charlie Brown when I've got all the flies circling me because I smell like fish fertilizer. So I am done 100% with Alaska fish fertilizer. So it doesn't matter if I have potted plants that I'm trying to give nutrients to, they're getting Great Big Roses. If I have new plants that are just brought to the house and I'm hardening them in, they've come from the nursery, I'm giving them a dose of the GBR, is the acronym for Great Big Roses. They're going to get GBR so that they can have less shock when I get ready to put them in the ground. Great Big Roses would like to share with 6 of you. 4 of you will receive quart bottles. 2 of you will receive gallon bottles. So we're going to have 6 drawings, and I'm so excited for you guys to try this so that you can see the results that I'm having and everybody else that's trying the product. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you for tomorrow's giveaway.